baby. Hi, pretty bird. What a beautiful girl you are, pretty bird. Pretty bird's a good girl. Did you drop that? Did I hand you one that was empty? I'm sorry. You'd never do that deliberately. Are you going to come over here, little one? I want to pet my pretty bird. I want to pet pretty bird. Come here. See, nothing in my hand. No more yuck. I want to pet my pretty bird. Hi, pretty bird. Come here. Come here, pretty bird. Let's get petting. Let's pet each other. You want to pet each other? Oh, baby. Here's my pretty bird. Here's my beautiful little pretty bird. I love you, pretty bird. I love pretty bird. Yes, I do. My little baby. Who loves pretty bird? Hi, baby. Hi. It's pretty bird. Hi, sweetheart. You good girl. You're going to come out soon, aren't you? You going to come out to me soon? Thinking about it today? My little pretty girl. My baby girl. Such a good girl.